Don't count sheep. Count on this instead. Here's something gentle but powerful. First, place your phone away, out of reach, out of sight. Now, bring your attention to the sound of your breath, in and out through your nose. Listen to it, like waves arriving and leaving. Don't force anything, just notice. Be there with it. This is called intentional listening, a way to anchor the mind, to soothe the nervous system, to slow the waves of thought. As you stay with your breath, your body begins to soften. You leave the noise of the day behind. And then something beautiful happens. You begin to drift, not fully awake, not yet asleep. The space between dusk and twilight. This is where you plant the seed. Now, paint your next day. Imagine it. A day of hope, of clarity, of small joys. A walk in fresh morning air. A moment of peace no one can take from you. A problem solved, an adventure begun. And feel it as if it's already real. This is rest. This is vision. This is sleep meeting intention. Close your eyes. Breathe. Begin.
Ruminate. The space between thought and transformation.